Before rearming your life jacket, you'll need to ensure it is fully dry and deflate it using the attached cap. Now, let's get started. Take your manual pull and release it from your life jacket. Taking hold of the inflation mechanism, insert the supplied metal key between the black locking ring and yellow cap. Turn the key anti-clockwise. Now, turn the black locking ring anti-clockwise and lift the yellow cap off. Squeeze the sealing ring to elongate. Remove the cylinder with attached backplate through the sealing ring. Pick up the new cylinder with attached backplate and check the indicator is green. Check the cylinder is free from any signs of damage, including corrosion, and is the correct size. Insert with the cylinder pointing upwards inside the life jacket. Let the sealing ring rest on the backplate around the 4 lugs. Next, take the new yellow cap, check the expiry date and the indicator is displaying green. Position the replacement cap with the water inlet valve pointing to the right. Press firmly onto the backplate and sealing ring. At the same time, turn the black locking ring clockwise into the locked position. Pull on the cap to make sure it is securely locked into place. Now, taking the manual pull, feed it through the life jacket and secure as shown. Your Crewsaver Hammar life jacket is now armed, but let's go through the final checks. Double check the cap indicator is green and the manual pull is correctly positioned. Check the locking ring is secured. When it is locked, it cannot be turned anti-clockwise by hand. Next, let's check for leaks. Inflate your life jacket using the oral inflation tube until firm. Leave overnight and check that no air has leaked. During the leak test, avoid extreme variations in temperature. If the life jacket shows signs of deflation, do not use. You need to contact your nearest Crewsaver approved service station for further checks. If your life jacket passes the inflation test, completely empty the life jacket of air via the oral tube using the supplied cap. It is very important that all residual air has been emptied, and ensure your life jacket is dry before repacking. Your life jacket is now armed and ready to be repacked. Check out our repacking videos to find out how. Thanks for watching.